Islamabad is the nice. If you are not the resident of Islamabad, then this video is quite helpful for you. Number 1, Lok Virsa Museum. It shows the history and different culture of Pakistan. It covers a vast area of 60,000 square feet, which make it the largest museum of Pakistan, and it can accommodate about 3,000 visitors in the same time. It has many exhibitions halls. Number 2, Pakistan Monuments. It is located on Shakarpadia Hills, which is easily available across the metropolitan area due to its elevation and design. Its special design is derived from Mughal designs and architectures. It has 7 facades which shows the different areas and provinces of Pakistan. 3, Saidpur Village. Saidpur village is located in the Margala Hills from the Mughal era. This village has some historical buildings which attracts the visitors. The government has renovated this village very well. Number 4, Faisal Mosque. Faisal Mosque is the third largest mosque in the world and the major tourist attraction place in Pakistan. It is located at the foot of Margala Hills. It is the first mosque of its kind that is without any dome structure. Number 5, Lake View Park. It is an amusement area and a wildlife park located at the bank of Rawal Lake. This park contains the world's third cage of the birds. The park has a very beautiful. Number 6, Margala's Trails. There are few cities on the planet that are very close to the natural environment as Islamabad. There are 8 hiking trails starting from different locations in the forest of Margala's Hills, which are completely covered with plants, trees and moors. It is also a natural habitat of different kinds of animals and birds. Damani Cove. It is a beautiful natural viewing point located in the center of Islamabad, which gives you a panoramic view of Islamabad. It is located in the center of Damani Cove Hills. Number 8, Fatma Jana Park. It is the recreational park after the name of Quaid-e-Azam's younger sister Fatma Jana. It is the recreational park of Islamabad named after the younger sister of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jana. Number 10 and the last but not the least is the Centaurus Halls Shopping Hall. It is one of the biggest shopping mall of South Asia. It consists of three skyscrapers having 5 stories allocated for shopping malls. So many thanks for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this videos, and for more such like beautiful places, please subscribe my channel. Explore the beauty of Pakistan.